We've got exciting news for our residents and businesses in Richmond. Beginning in July 2025, the City of Richmond will launch a major upgrade to our water system, installing new automated water meters across the city. In partnership with Amoresco and Second Sight Systems, Richmond will begin replacing all existing residential and commercial water meters with advanced metering infrastructure, commonly known as AMI meters. This initiative is part of our commitment to smarter infrastructure, better customer service, and long-term sustainability. Over the next year, installation teams will work throughout Richmond to install the new meters. Residents and business owners will receive detailed information by mail before installation begins in their neighborhood. All contractors will wear uniforms and drive marked vehicles for clear identification, and will carry a City of Richmond contractor badge. Work will typically occur Monday through Friday between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. with occasional Saturday work as needed. Before installing your new meter, a team member will knock on your door to notify you and briefly explain the process. If you're home, they'll ask that you avoid using water for about 30 minutes. If no one is home, they'll check to ensure water isn't actively in use before proceeding. If it is, they'll return at a later time. Here's what to expect. Water to your home or business will be temporarily turned off. The old meter and meter box lid will be removed. A new AMI meter and updated lid will be installed. The team will restore the area before leaving. If an accessible outdoor faucet is available, the crew may flush the line to remove air and sediment. If they can't complete this step, you'll receive a door hanger with simple instructions to flush your system. Just run cold water from a bathtub or outdoor faucet for 1 minute. Please avoid using hot water during the first flush to protect your water heater. If installation can't be completed due to a locked gate, loose dog, or inaccessible meter, a city representative will reach out to reschedule. A customer portal will be launched later in the project, giving you access to real-time usage data, alerts, and billing insights. This system upgrade not only improves billing accuracy, it empowers you with tools to manage your monthly water use more efficiently. For more information, visit richmondtx.gov/AMI or contact the Richmond Utility Billing Department at 281-342-5456, option 1. Thank you for being part of Richmond's progress. Together, we're building a smarter, more connected future, 1 meter at a time.